Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Burns and I live in Japan. My wife and we own 4 properties here. We started with English schools, and then we have moved on to kind of a guest house business. And we started with 1 room and then gradually opened up to 3 different Airbnb units, and that allowed us to buy a house in Tokyo and another house in Kawasaki. So we own 4 properties now. And in my course on real estate investing and short-term rentals, I want to teach you how to use short-term rentals to help you buy more real estate, and also about real estate investing. So I hope you enjoy the course. Thank you for signing up.